Hey, good afternoon, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with an update for you on what's going on this afternoon, this evening. It is really simple. The lower peninsula is getting hit with snow across the whole area, but we'll get into the fine details. And if you have any questions or comments, or let us know how much snow has fallen at your location, I would call it here in Frankenmuth about probably coming to close to 3 inches of snow so far since it started early this morning. All right, let's get to it and show you what's going on here. Here is the radar. Hey, Jenna Manavi. Good afternoon to you, too. Okay, and what you're noticing on the radar is where you see green is going to be the bigger flakes and moderate to heavy snow. So patches of moderate to heavy snow in an overall steady snow across all of lower Michigan. Let's take a closer look at different areas. Okay, so we've got the bigger flakes, Tuscola County into Saginaw, large area of bigger flakes into southeast lower Ann Arbor, heavy snowfall right now around the Ann Arbor area. Grand Rapids, again, periods of heavy snow. All right, and in northern lower Michigan, we also have areas of heavy snow there. You see Traverse City and around the Cadillac and Big Rapids area and over to east of Kalkaska also. So the heavy snow continues and is going to continue. Here is a look at where the warnings are. Still the same areas. Winter storm warning, almost all of lower Michigan except far southeast. A winter weather advisory is in effect. And also notice out west, wind chill warnings in effect. We will eventually get into that. Hey, good afternoon, Zane McMillan, fellow MLiver. Here's your radar forecast. One thing I want you to pay particular attention to in the south. My headline said that south is going to get hit hard, and you've just been getting into it. Watch this dark blue here. This is something that's been showing up on the models all morning and even last evening. Okay, we're at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Snow continues, and here's a heavy burst of snow, I think, in the far southeast. So you're at 6 o'clock there, coming into Ann Arbor, coming into Detroit. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So the snow winding down late this evening in southern half, still going in the northern half. And we go into midnight, and it moves off and starts to transition into what we'll deal with for several days is these heavy bands of, you guys got Taco Bell internet. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't sound good. Okay, so snowfall amounts going forward. This is over what we've had. So this is starting now and going forward. Let's go to 6 o'clock tonight. An additional 3 to 4 inches in Detroit, 4 to 5, the Thumb, Flint, Saginaw, Bay Sidley, up to Alpena, 4 inches, where they've already had about 7 to 9 inches in the Big Rapids area, and then out to the west, 2 to 3 more inches of snowfall. That's through 6 o'clock. We'll take it out to midnight and call it basically done then. You're getting another 6 inches plus in the northeast, maybe 6 inches in the Thumb. Hey, good afternoon, Jeff Gilbert. What's up with you? And in the Detroit area, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow. Ann Arbor, already 3 inches. All right, thank you for the report there. What's the winds doing in your location? Now, here's a wind forecast I've been watching, and we'll go through the afternoon. The winds are going to be strong, but not of terrible proportions. Okay, and also, by the way, this lighter patch of winds down here, 6 to 10 miles an hour, that's the center of the storm system. And we're at 6 o'clock tonight. 7 8 o'clock. And this is why I want Southeast Michigan, Ann Arbor, Detroit, Jackson to watch out for late this evening if you work third shift, because as the storm pulls off, you get the snow, and then here comes the cold, and here comes the wind gusts of 35 miles an hour into southeast lower. This is 1 in the morning. So we're going to see a surge of wind come up. Alrighty, so there it is, heavy snow wind. Let's show you the wind chills by Wednesday morning. Looking at wind chills of 30 below. And yeah, you're seeing that right. Wind chills of 63 below zero in Minnesota. Wednesday afternoon, wind chills of 40 below in far southern lower. Thursday, will there be snow? Will there be school? Is the question. This is midday Thursday. Wind chills in the teens, minus 20s. I don't know. And Friday, it gets cold again with wind chills near 30 below. Now I'm going to leave you with one more thing. I'm going to start to talk about this. Change gears, kind of like Michigan weather. You got the turntable going, you go, warm up. Big warm up. Late in the weekend and early next week. I'll show that to you because you might want to see it. Here's your cold temperatures. Wednesday could be record-setting high temperatures. High temperatures. Minus 15, southern Michigan. Thursday, high temperatures just single digits. Friday morning, very cold, probably 20 below in a lot of spots. Then Saturday, mid-20s. Sunday, high temperatures, mid-30s. Monday, high temperatures, 40s to maybe 50 degrees. So you have a drastic turnaround. That looks fairly short-lived too, and then it looks like we're going to kind of oscillate between slightly warmer than normal, slightly colder than normal. Uh-oh, they're saying I've got the helium voice once again. We have no idea why that happens. It happens once in a while. But there you have it. Big snowstorm today. Wind, cold for several days, and a big warm-up by the weekend. That's just it. A normal day here in Michigan weather-wise. Thanks for joining me. We'll keep you updated through the evening hours. Watch out in the southeast. If you think it's not bad, it's going to get bad this evening as the winds pick up and you get several more inches of snowfall. And, of course, dark, so it's harder to see out there. Alrighty. Take care. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.